Okay, YouTube land. It's been a while since I've done a car video. This one I've had for a while, but forgot to upload it. Not the Tahoe. Tahoe did get an upgrade though. LED fog lights. They're awesome. But we're on to this girl here. This is my 2005 Jeep Liberty. Now this one was actually a solid swap trade. You might remember my '04 Exploder. Well, I traded it for this nice little girl here. Now this is a salvage title. You can tell because it doesn't have the it's had work done because Jeep lettering's gone right here. And yeah, it's actually been a good little running car. The paint's in great shape. It's got, of course, age on the plastic fenders because, well, it's a Jeep thing. It's decent on gas. The tires are pretty interesting because I have one brand new Wrangler, three shitty ones, and then a Kelly on it. The interior is again very, very nice. I was doing trash runs, so garbage picking, so no buzzer for me. It has 192,000 miles on it. It's the OEM radio. The seats are in great shape. It's about one cigarette burn. Right there. It's very clean. Yeah, the smell's not my favorite in here. It's like a aged smell. Again, the back seats are in great shape. Doors are in great shape. Had to fix a motor on that door. That was a fun one because guy put in the wrong motor. It was backwards, and then instead of putting the right motor in, he cut the wires, spliced them over, and when I finally replaced that motor because it was slow, well, sure enough, I had to redo the wiring. The seats fold down flat, which gives you some great cargo space. And one of my favorite functions of this girl, if I can find the key, that is. There it is. Popping up glass automatic. Now I just have two radios in here right now. I'm going to be swapping one in later on. And my regular tools. Like I said, I've been driving around for a little bit. Listening as my around the block picker-upper. Probably going to install at Kenwood tonight. Not sure if I will or not. We'll find out. It is New Year's Eve, so we'll see. But again, this thing's in great shape. There's another one of the older Jeep Wrangler tires. And then we have the Kelly tire I mentioned. Now, let's get her running. I'll find the key again. Starts no problem. No lights. Oh, airbag light, that'll go away in a minute. There it goes. I'll just fine. Now the trunk release is a weird spot. It's actually really flush. It's hard to find for me the first time I worked on a Jeep. Squeak and tension and pulley. Brand new water pump. Second good amount of air right now. But she's running strong. No issues. That's weird though. I don't know what I think of that. But yeah, she's a great running little car. Now we are doing some upgrades later on. Because this car is already being traded off. So I do Uber. My Tahoe is usually my primary right here. But well, 15 years, '05 Tahoe. Today's the last day I can use her. So she's being traded for a 2008 Chevy Impala Interceptor model with a big old upgraded V8. So that's really nice. But we're putting fog lights in because the new owner wants them. These are the factory fog lights. And if you look right back here, I'm not going to pop the glass open unless I have to. There you go. You can see right there. Those are the factory fog lights. This car does not have it factory, so hard or something like that. But easy time. I might do a drive. Actually, screw it, let's go for a drive around video. So everything in this car works. Salvage title. Miles. I mean, the oil was done very recently. I did it myself. Well, not myself. I went down to Jiffy Lube. Shipped in. And away we go. Oh, there's my toolbox. Nice quiet ride inside. It was a thunk. Found out a bushing popped off and was stuck in the spring. She runs good. Accelerates. Very, very responsive. 4x4 engages nice and smoothly. Does need a new bushing, but that's pretty much it. Oop. Got my water ball swishing around in the back seat now. But yeah, she's a very, very smooth running car. As proof of that, very quiet little bit of the video. Actually, I never actually checked the rear one again. Okay, we're good. Don't want to get any strikes on me already. This channel is still too new for that. Oh, and here comes someone in a Toyota who's gonna come into my lane. Fuck you. Sorry. Assholes like to drive like assholes. Just ran over a squirrel, I think. But, again, very, very great running car. I just got to trade it up so I can continue Uber. And my Tahoe is my baby, so ain't going nowhere. Yep, very quiet, very smooth. All the lights work. Except for a salvage title, this thing would be perfect. And I can't believe I traded that damn exploder for it. That my cursed child right there. But I'm so happy it's gone. There's another Jeep right there. Okay, now we're back at the house. And I'll do a video on my Silverado later on. I'm sorry, K1500. Reverse. I apologize for my video not being the most professional, but I'll make do with what I do. Hit the wood. Yeah. This is my Jeep. But not for much longer. Originally got it for my wife, but she loved it. But can't drive it yet. I make money with Uber, so she agreed to let it go. All in all. Oh, and if you remember these plates, they keep on trading up. Yes, they're legal. Yes, they're active. Yes, they've been transferred. But yeah, thanks for watching. Alright guys, so a little bit of further update. Started doing the fog lights, and surprise, surprise, all the wires, the harness is all right here, and all the wires are already present. So this is so far a pretty easy add-on. The only thing that's going to be a little more extreme is right here. That's the only annoying son of a bitch right there. Gotta be careful when I forget what the damn part's called, so forgive me on that one. But I'm going to have to pull apart the dash here, swap this nice little one out, this guy right here, and we'll see how well that goes. I think it'll go pretty good. But hell, let's find out. Alright guys, final part. So, fog lights are in. Won't work yet because I need a fuse and a relay. But we do have the switches in here. A little dirty, but I'll wash those up. But and fog would kick on with that, but need a relay in there. But yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm gonna do one last little radio upgrade. Then we're good.